Let's take a look at this 5-second fix. Fix, fill, seal in seconds. It works on a plastic, wood, metal, glass, fabric and more. Liquid plastic welding tool. It's activated by the UV light. Apply and cure, and it's fixed. Creates a durable permanent bond. Stops leaks and fills cracks. Flexible, sandable and paintable. Some of the uses for it. This costs around 95 rupees or $2 or so. So let's see how it works. That's how it looks. You get the UV light here. Looks like it does work. As you can see, it's stuck on. It does stick quite well. Pretty strong too. When it's curing, there is a burnt plastic smell. It seems the bond is quite strong and works quite well. Quite nice. Check it out.